Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Accidental Doctor. Today we are going to discuss about Government Medical College Aurangabad. This college was established in the year 1956. So it is a old and one of the best medical college of Maharashtra. This is one of the largest in the Marathwada region of Maharashtra. This college ranks 9th in the Maharashtra state and is recognized by MCI, that is Medical Council of India, and is affiliated by MUHS Nashik. This college is located on University Road, Jubilee Park, Aurangabad. Also, this college is 4 kilometers away from Aurangabad railway station and 1.5 kilometers from Central Bus Stand. The Aurangabad Airport of Maharashtra is the nearest airport to this medical college, which is located 11 kilometers away. Also, we can reach through Nagpur Aurangabad Mumbai Highway and Jalna Aurangabad Road within 30 minutes. The Mumbai International Airport is located 350 kilometers away from this college. The Government Cancer Research Hospital associated with Government Medical College Aurangabad is the first ever government cancer institute in entire state of Maharashtra. This college provides 200 seats for the MBBS course. Now let's discuss about the cutoff. So cutoff for All India quota for general category, it is 650 marks. For state quota, for general category it is 629 marks. For general physically handicapped 272 marks. For general women 632 marks. For EWS category 625 marks. For EWS physically handicapped 267 marks. For OBC category 618 marks. For OBC women 616 marks. For NTD category 626 marks. NTC category 601 marks. NTB category 559 marks. For VJ category 586 marks. For SC category 542 marks. For SC women 542 marks. For ST category 417 marks. For ST women 428 marks. For General Defense 1 category 604 marks. For General Defense 2 category 607 marks. For General Defense 3 category 607 marks. So now let's move further, and I would like to tell you about our Instagram handle, which is @accidentaldoctor. There you can text us. We clear your doubts freely. So check our Instagram page @accidentaldoctor. Follow us there and clear your doubts freely. Now let's move further and discuss about the tuition fees. So for All India quota and for state quota of open category, the fees is same, that is 1,39,310 rupees. For EWS category 76,460 rupees, and for OBC, SC and ST categories 13,610 rupees. Now I'll explain you all the fees separately. So the tuition fees is 1,25,700 rupees, development fund 5,000 rupees, admission fees 1,500 rupees, caution money deposit 3,000 rupees, library fees 1,000 rupees, library deposit 2,000 rupees, book bank fees 10 rupees, gymkhana fees 500 rupees, University Development Fund 100 rupees, hostel deposit 1000 rupees, hostel rent per year 4000 rupees, electricity charges per year 36 rupees. GMC Aurangabad is spread into 30 buildings in 40 hectares of land over 99 acres. Also, the GMC Aurangabad campus includes auditorium, library, gymkhana, volleyball court, badminton court, table tennis court and canteen. Now let's discuss about the hostel. So there are two hostels for boys, one new and one old, but they are not available for the first year boys. And for girls there is one hostel which is in front of the college. There are 2 washrooms per floor and the accommodation per room is 2 to 3 girls per room. So now before talking about the bond, stipend and the patient inflow, I would like to tell you about our counseling services, which is Plan A, Plan B and Plan C. These plans are given in our website, that is www.accidentaldoctor.in. In Plan A, we provide the internal details of the college, like are there any hidden charges or any unusual thing about the college. In Plan B, we provide the SET counseling. In Plan C, we provide the All India counseling. So you can check the further details there. You can select any plan and book an appointment. You can fill your details there and our team will contact you. So this is it. Check our website www.accidentaldoctor.in. So there are 2 bonds, like 1 year of service bond and the second one is 5 year of foreign bond. So 1 year you have to work in any rural hospital, and for after the internship for 5 years you cannot leave your country. So that is the foreign bond. if you are not able to complete these 2 bonds, there is a compensation, so penalty is of 10 lakh rupees. The stipend is of 11,000 per month and the patient inflow is really good. So all the information necessary is provided to you. So make sure to like and share this video. Also follow us on our Instagram, which is @accidentaldoctor. Thank you for today.